Hello my gorgeous and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do actually a really exciting video. I'm gonna unbox my first pair of Chanel earrings and Tiffany bracelet that I got for my birthday as a gift from my husband. So without further ado, if you guys are interested to know which bracelet and which pair of earrings I picked up, please keep watching. So as I mentioned, I got bag of Chanel, and then another one is from Tiffany and Co. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox the Chanel one first. So it's as you know, it's a black bag with a camellia on the top. It's not a true unboxing because I have unboxed these and I've been wearing it since, because my birthday was in November. So I will actually insert a picture somewhere here just to show you how they packed. So the earrings comes in this little black Chanel box, and you open it, and then you open this, and then around the side, and here's your earrings. I mean, like, how beautiful are they? I was always wanted to get a pair of Chanel, like as a Chanel logo, and I was wanting to get something with gold. They had one pair which has like multicolor, kind of like these stones, but they didn't have a fresh pair of those earrings. So the only one they had, it's like everyone is trying that. So I wasn't wanted that one. So I actually ended up with this one. Even though I wasn't really a fan of like silver jewelry because I'm always leaned towards gold, but recently I've been actually really enjoying wearing silver jewelry. Probably you will be able to tell because I'm wearing like silver earrings, silver necklace, and then I bought these earrings which is in the silver hardware, but it comes in this like little holder, and then you twist it up and then you take it out. And this is what a pair of Chanel earrings looks like. So these ones I picked up here in Brisbane in Queen's Plaza Chanel boutique, because I was really wanted something which I can kind of wear on everyday basis, like not a really long earring or anything like that, like which look nice, and then I can wear it. I don't need any special occasion to wear it. Like I can wear it, I can dress it up, I can like dress it down and stuff like that. So pick this one. So it's like come with like 2 camellia flowers. The one is just stick with the bag. Yeah, so the one was, so it's come with this ribbon and another camellia flower which was like on the top of the box like that. And for the price, so this is the receipt, and the price of these earrings, $520 for this pair of earrings. So this is my first gift from Mr. Husband. I'll wear it and show you guys how it look like and all of that. And the second thing I picked up, it's from Tiffany, and I picked up one of their bracelets. And once you open the box, it comes in this Tiffany pouch. You open it, and this is the bracelet that I picked up. I hope you will be able to see it. So it's this one which says love on the top of it with the red color. The one I originally picked it up, that was one with like the similar logo and a rose gold key. They didn't have any in store, so I ordered it, and it arrived like within few days, and I picked it up. And the girl wasn't very friendly, and she didn't even ask me if I want to try or not. And then I got that. I came home and then opened it. It has so many scratches already. I will probably insert a picture somewhere here to show you guys what it looked like as a brand new piece. Like, wouldn't you check it before you giving it to somebody, like, being that big brand and all that. So yeah, I wasn't very impressed, so I left a really nasty comment. and I went to the store and they was like, oh, we were expecting you because yeah, we read your comment. And then I went there, but the store manager was like actually really, really lovely. So, you know, there's like, oh, would you like some water, champagne, and all of that, you know, of course, because I was so pissed and I thought that I'm just gonna return it and I will not be buying anything. But the manager was really helpful. She's like, oh, I'm really sorry, you know, you got worse experience, this and that, how can I help you, blah 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 blah. So I ended up picking this bracelet, and of course this is silver as well, and I love wearing it. It looks so pretty, and yeah, I really like it, how chunky it is, and it's in size medium. I was actually, small was a little bit too tight, like there was no room to move, so I actually picked up medium. So sometime I'll wear it, like I'll leave this one, I'll put in the second one, and sometimes I'll just like put it at the end. So so that's the bracelet. I won't be able to wear it by myself because, you know, you need somebody else to put it on, this bracelet. So but this is what the bracelet look like, and I'm actually enjoying wearing it. But like it is nice bracelet, but yeah, the whole hassle and all that I had to go through. And I believe I don't have, I think the invoice is in the other bag probably. Maybe like later on the track I probably will pick up a necklace, a bracelet. Like I already bought it, like I'll probably buy a necklace with rose gold key to it maybe. And I think this bracelet was around 630. I don't know, this one is probably like 630 or 650. I will leave the price in the description bar and the link of this actual bracelet, but I believe it was around 650. So what I'll do is I'll put the earrings just to show you guys how it look like. I mean, this design, it's like pretty much every other person owns this design. Because my earlobes are not too big, they're really, really small, so I just went with the small size. They did have like a little bit bigger in this one. I'm not really sure of the sizing and all that, but I just went with the smallest one because I felt like the bigger ones won't suit me as much. And because here in Australia you can't really try it, like they'll put it like on a plastic stick and then actually just like kind of put it underneath your ear, but you can't really try it, so it's a little bit tricky. Okay, so this is what earrings look like when I'm wearing it. I don't know, I hope the logo is straight, so if it's not, I'm really sorry. So this is what the earrings look like when I'm wearing it. So hey guys, so that's all for today's video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and do let me in the comment section below if you are what kind of jewelry you are into. You like earrings, bracelet, or you like everything when it comes to jewelry. And until then, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye gorgeous.